Well, the main reason for creating this video was I want to show you how I implement the new AI tools for creating all my YouTube videos and various tips and tricks which I'm going to reveal in this video. Like many of you are the YouTube creators if you watch me, and if you still create those videos manually with the help of each and everything, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the useful AI tools and make your workflow even more easier. So at very first, the tool which I'm going to discuss is about ChatGPT. Still, many of the people don't use ChatGPT for creating the video structure and all. So this is the live example proof in front of you. Now, what you have to do is just you have to type any topic on which you want to create the video and look at the prompt which I'm giving. It's like give me entire video script on the topic, and the topic I have wrote there, and just I have informed him to start all with the hook and also give me the visuals to record. So basically the visuals to record is like if you are creating a faceless video, it will tell you which visuals you have to insert in your video, and that's absolutely perfect, right? So as you can see, he has generated the whole video structure in just few minutes. So plenty of hours of your struggle has been compromised here. You have got your whole video structure in just 2 to 3 minutes. Like just look at this, it also has given me each and every AI tool which I shall include in the video according to my topic, and also the visual ideas which I shall record and add it in my video. So now what I have to do, basically I have to just copy paste this and record it and just record each and everything he has told, and just in the video editor I have to create the whole video. And also he has given me the extra stuff too. Now imagine I want to extend, right? I want to extend the para of each and every voiceover he gave, and also I'll ask him to give me the link of all the tools he mentioned in the video. And just look at this, like he's like a personal assistant. So I request you to start using chat gpt because it is making your workflow literally easy as possible, right? Like in just few seconds you are all up with the whole video structure, and 88% of stuff you have already completed. Now what you have to do is you have to just plug and play. Like you have to just record your voiceover, you have to just record your visuals, and in the video editor you have to just merge it together, and like in just few minutes your whole video is ready, right? So this is something useful. So as you can see, I just noticed that the voiceover length was so small, so I just informed him to increase the length of the voiceover, and he gave me, right? So like each and everything he's providing to me in just few minutes. So what's wrong in using this? You shall also use it. So in just few seconds I have got my whole video structure, right? So by this you can also implement it in your own way. And the second AI tool is Opus Clip. Now let me explain you what this tool is. Now imagine you only love creating big videos, long videos, but you are literally bored with creating YouTube Shorts. So this platform plays a vital role here. What you have to do is just you have to drop a sorry, it's not meeting link. It's like YouTube link, a video link which you have uploaded, or you can directly upload your YouTube video here. What this platform will do is it will just cut all those videos into the shorts with the help of its AI, and you will get the exact shot YouTube shorts which you have to upload on your YouTube channel without any delay. That's something awesome, right? Like you are only creating a long form video, and Opus Clip, what it is doing, it is analyzing your main part in the video and it is splitting and working and then giving you a whole shot under a second which you can upload on any platform, right? And according to the AI policy, you might have heard that AI videos are not monetizable, but if you add your voiceover, it is monetizable, right? So as you can see, the video was of 1 hour and it cut into 15 seconds each part, right? So it is something valuable. Also, you can reframe your videos from this website. So this is like for the people like me who literally don't like to create shorts manually. So what I do is just you take a look at this video, how much clips he has generated from a single long video. So this is where something this Opus Clip tool plays a vital role in saving your time, so that you can focus only on long videos and your short videos will be just extracted from the long videos. And also take the example of this video too. As you can see, many of the videos have been extracted from the long format video, and even the captions are included. And yes, these videos are monetizable, okay, because these aren't generated by AI. Like, you are creating videos manually and then you are just using AI to split it. So you can use this easily. Now let's have a look at this video too. So basically this was a podcast, I guess. And then as you can see, also Opus Clip has divided all those long format videos into viewable shorts which you can upload on any platform. So this tool is literally mind blowing and time saver for content creators like you and me. So if you want to try, you can literally try it. Now video creation is just 50% part. Now what the rest part is, it's of uploading, right? Like the video which you have created on a particular topic shall reach the audience with that pain point, right? So VidIQ, this is the vision for YouTube, right? So basically this is the extension you have to download. And now let me show you what this extension exactly does is, see, now I have uploaded my video here and I have wrote any raw title. Okay, so what basically this does it, it shows me my whole report. It's like my scorecard. Okay, your video shall be search engine optimized. Like, the video topic on which you have created your video shall reach to the audience who is searching it. So it basically suggests me whole title suggestions, right? So that's why, as you can see, the title is already SEO optimized. So vidIQ suggests you the titles according to your topic which people search a lot. So that's why this tool plays a vital role here. And you can see the rating is also 93%, right? And another one more tool which I use is, this is TubeBuddy. Okay, so what this TubeBuddy does, it shows the opponent's tags which you can copy, and also the video is ranked in search engine optimization. Like the video ranked in the SEO of an opponent, so you can just copy paste it so that your video will also be shown in the search list. And trust me, if your channel is new, you shall SEO your video because it's so much useful. You will directly get traffic from the YouTube search, and it's the evergreen traffic ever. So as you can see, as I have downloaded TubeBuddy, it's showing all the tags which I have added here, right? And also it shows me a ready to go report which I can analyze of my competitor's video. And if I want the tags by which he has ranked, also I can copy it too. So imagine I have opened this video, as you can see, and you can see various options here, right? So see, this tags, basically anyone in the world, if he searches with this tag, his video will come in the first rank list. Why? Because this video is SEO optimized. So how you will check it? So with the help of these two tools. So as you can see, I am getting video suggestions here, right? So as the I'm adding the tags here, you can see the actionable SEO score is increasing. And when it's 50 out of 50, then your SEO score is absolutely 100, and then your video will be ranked and it will go viral. It's guaranteed. Okay, even though after some time it will go viral, but yes, it will pull regular views regularly. So let me show you a few of my videos which have been SEO ranked, right? Like, with the help of these two tools, I have optimized it. So now this is my description. Like the video which I have added there, I have already uploaded it. Okay, so as you can see, I am pasting the description here, and see the actionable SEO score has been increased. So in this way you can add more tags, and just with that, your SEO score will be increased and your video will be fully optimized. And if you need a find more tags, searchable tags, okay, more rather than this, so you can use this website, RapidTags. What you have to do is, just you have to paste your title there, and after pasting, it shows some tags like this. So you can just easily just copy paste it and you can paste it here. So make a note of that website too. I also use that website so that my video gets ranked. And I have ranked many of the videos in search engine optimization, even though this my channel was dead. But just due to these AI tools, I have gained the popularity again, and my channel is continuously pulling the views. Okay, now let me show you one of my video which is SEO optimized and its score is absolutely 100. Now I'll show you that video. With the help of these two tools, I have gained much more popularity. So as you can see, this is my video which has already pulled 100 of SEO score, right? So in this way, you can use these AI tools and make sure that it's making your workflow easier. Well, we'll meet in next video. Till that time, just keep learning.